Okay, in this video I want to continue on with my discussion on secondhand data. Now I should mention as well that all secondhand data, okay, should be checked. It's very important. It should be checked against data for found in other sources. Okay, why? Because if it agrees, if they both agree with each other, the source that you're using, the secondhand source, is probably accurate. Okay, obviously, the more different sources you compare your data with, your secondhand data, the higher the chance of it being accurate. And if they agree with each other, the higher the chance of it being accurate. Correct. Okay. For example, you can compare it against a textbook. It could be an encyclopedia as well. Encyclopedia. That's how you spell it. Okay, a trustworthy internet site, let's say .gov as well. And so try to gather material from these sources as best you can, okay, for assignments and projects. These are really good sources. They're reliable at times, a lot of the times, and they contain a lot of good information. So that's secondhand data. Let me now talk about ethics. I'm sure you've heard of the word ethics. Ethics, by definition, is the study of what is wrong. So what's right and wrong? Okay? And part of it involves things like honesty and respect. These are two important things that a good scientist must have. Okay? Now, we all want to be treated honestly and with respect, right? But we also, others want to be treated this way too. Okay? So as scientists, we have to be honest and respectful. Okay? In my case, an example would be using a bibliography at the end of my the book that I wrote, my thesis. This shows that I'm honest. Okay, that I didn't copy anyone's information. Okay, I used their information and I respected their information at the end. That's ethics. Okay. Now, pretending data to be yours. Okay, if you're pretending to make the data yours, that's wrong. That is unethical. In other words, unethical. It's wrong. Okay, that's ethics. So scientists include a reference list. Okay, as I mentioned, so scientists include a reference list. Reference list. Okay, that's a bibliography. Bibliography. You did that for your project on the house. Okay, it shows where the information came from, where you got your information from, and it also acknowledges the authors, right? It acknowledges the authors. As scientists, we need to help each other out. Okay. Bibliography. Okay. Here's how bibliography usually works. Let's say you've got a website. Okay. Let's call the website We Care for Rabbits. We Care for Rabbits Society. Okay, that's the title. The URL is www.wecarefораbbits.asp.gov. Okay, and updated 13 March 2013. Okay, that's an example of a reference of a bibliography for a website. Okay, name, URL, and then the date that you accessed it. Okay, for a book, it's usually the author's surname first, always the case. Okay, so let's say his name is Hopler. His first name is Bridge. Okay, Amazing Animals, 2005, ABC Books, Sydney. Okay, here's how you reference a book. You start off with the author's surname, then his first name, then you have the title of the book, Amazing Animals, then you have the date it was published, 2005, then you have the publisher, ABC Books, then you have the place where it was published. That's how you write up a bibliography. Okay, typical bibliography.